How to enable pairing mode for your AirPods and connect them to a Galaxy Tab S8, S8 Plus, or the S8 Ultra with Android 13. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure these have some charge in there. Also, make sure they are not connected to another device because when you open it, they will automatically reconnect to that previously paired device. So go ahead and unpair it from that device so you won't have any difficulties trying to connect. Now, while your case is open for your AirPods 2 or the Gen 2 model here, you'll see at the back of the case there is a button there. You're going to hold down that button until you see a white soft blinking light. Go ahead and do that and hold it and don't let go until 3 to 5 seconds. So hold it and wait for this and then count up to 3 to 5 seconds. And once it does that, let go. Keep the case open like this here, and from here on the Tab S8 Plus or the Ultra, you can use the quick panel access. You'll look for the Bluetooth icon here, long press that, and that'll take you here into the main Bluetooth settings where you can see exactly what's going on. So while it's still blinking like this here, go ahead and turn on your Bluetooth settings. It's going to start searching for nearby devices, and you'll just wait for it to show up as AirPods. When you see AirPods show up on your tab here, go ahead and select it. It'll say pairing. You'll get that request down there and press pair. And to know if it's fully connected, just watch the light here and make sure it gives you that green light there, and it'll tell you connected for calls and audio. All right, so you're good to go. And you can also tap on this icon here if it's not enabled for calls or audio and select that. Okay, and this here will tell you that if it's the device type would be a headphone, speakers, or others. Okay, and you can select from one of these there. And that's that. Like, sub, and thanks for watching.